Go.
Hi, I'm Melissa Hutter. I'm from Youngstown, Ohio.
And is this your first Kelly Pavlik fight?
No.
How many fights have you been to?
Like 5.
5?
Yeah.
Here in Atlantic City or elsewhere?
Elsewhere.
You here with your family, right?
Yeah.
Who else do we got here?
My mom, my sister, my brother, and my stepdad.
Okay. How many? So you guys have come to Atlantic City before to fight?
Came from the Hopkins fight.
Hopkins fight? A little disappointing that one, I guess, huh?
It was. But he didn't go down. So.
He didn't go down? What do you guys think it is? What is it about Kelly Pavlik that that really, interests you guys? Why? What do you guys have is there a connection with Kelly? I mean, what is it about him that, makes it so interesting? Makes you guys want to come all this way?
There is a connection, but it's nice to see a guy from Youngstown do well for himself. But there's a connection because she used to be married to John Hutter, who's part of Team Pavlik. So.
Oh yeah, see your shirts and everything. Cool.
So
everybody's got them, right?
It's fun.
But Kelly's he's a good guy.
He's a good guy?
Yeah, he's awesome to watch, good fighter, always excitement.
Uh-huh.
Can take a punch, can hit hard.
You guys have a prediction for tonight?
7th round.
7th round?
Knockout.
Knockout, all right.
Kelly.
Well, how many times have you been here in Atlantic City for a fight?
Well, second time.
Second time?
Hopkins in this fight.
And how did you guys get here?
Drove.
Drove? How long was that?
I drove 90 miles an hour, so we made it for the weigh-in, so it only took us about 6 hours.
So you guys were here last night for the weigh-in too?
Yep.
Cool.
Yep.
And how do you like Atlantic City?
Love it. I've been here about 10 times before this, so
right.
I'm a gambler.
And what's your prediction?
I'm going to say 7th round too.
7th round too?
Kelly's going to knock him out.
Yeah.
Definitely.
And how about?
I'm going to say closer to the beginning of the 7th round.
Okay, great. Well, thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it.